Alright, here's an update on the 1979 Ford F-150. Just got the brand new gas tank put in and installed the Holley fuel pump. The instructions said it's recommended at a 45-degree angle, so I got it like that, and then ran the fuel line out to here, reconnected to the stock steel fuel line. So that's where I drilled it and bolted it. Haven't wired it up yet, still working on that. And then got these here for, I believe, the smog pump. Got these welded up, put back in. Bought this 2-inch 4-hole spacer. Got the carburetor rebuilt, so just waiting to put it all on. Got this here welded up. It was open for the EGR for the fuel injection, so got that welded up and plugged. So this right here is going to be the bracket for our throttle cable. That'll go right about there, and with it like that, it hooks up to the Holley just about perfect. So I'll weld that up. Got this here cut. Still got to drill and weld it, but this here goes here, right up in there, and it'll bend over right here, about like that. That there is for clutch deal. Just here a weld right around in here. We'll attach up into here. That way our clutch will work, because these were hydraulic and the motor was hydraulic and the truck's manual. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you like it.